Before you do your makeup,
turn right onto West Nolana Avenue.
I don't know.
and on my,
Quarter of a mile, turn left.
I'm giving this Uber a 0 rating.
Uh-oh.
So I am on my way to the airport to head to McAllen, Texas, y'all, for my sister's baby shower, and I'm so, so excited. For today's vlog, I am partnering with Biossance. You guys know I love me some Biossance. I'll tell you all about their new SPF, but I'm super excited because the whole family is gonna be in Texas, and we're gonna celebrate my sister. Next stop is H-Town, and then McAllen, because there's no direct flights from LAX to McAllen, Texas. I am pumped. Just got to McAllen, Texas, y'all. My very pregnant sister and brother-in-law are apparently picking me up from this airport. Let's see how cute they're being. Oh, I just got out the gate and they're not here, so not that cute. I don't see my family. Where are they?
We're about to come around again. If you stand up a little bit forward, I can see you. I think I missed you.
Oh my God, how could you miss me? There's literally no humans around. Oh, I see him, I see him. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Oh my God, you're so pregnant.
It's all belly. It's all belly. It's all there.
You would be in pajamas.
Well, he didn't think he was going to get out.
So Monty, how's pregnant life been?
A lot of acid reflux.
Really? What up, homie?
Hello. Hi.
Monica says I have to go put a face on. I like my face. So I just got to my brother-in-law's house. This is where he grew up, and Farhan's here. Farhan is Dinesh's brother's kid, so future baby's cousin. Let's go play with him. Hi, Farhan. Are you so excited for baby cousin? Are you excited for baby cousin?
Chose.
He's so cute.
Two rabbits, maybe another time. Always warm and protect them.
I didn't do it. You need to put on our new lip color.
Oh, it's a pretty color.
Mm-hmm.
Berryish.
Yes. You always make that face when you put on lip color.
It's not too much.
I know, that's enough.
I have to teach you how to do this.
Oh, okay. Got it. My parents are downstairs. I just went and said hi. They gave me the best hugs because they're the best. Let's go say hi to everybody, my mom, and see what everyone's doing. Hey, Mom. Hello. Hey. What are you doing, Mom?
We are getting ready for tomorrow, Monica's baby shower. So this is called chalimidi. Chalimidi means it's good for the pregnant girl.
Our family loves desserts. Let's go say hey to Raj.
Hi.
Want to know something funny? I called you King Raj, and then I realized that's like saying king twice.
Now they call me Papa Pandu.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me?
I miss you. I miss you. I'm glad.
How was India without me?
Boring. It was good when you remember when we went? I'm glad to see you.
Are you happy Monty's preggo?
Oh, so happy. I'm going to grandpa, man.
Grandpa.
Grandpa.
This is my mom's brother. Molly, I have a question. Why do we always eat dinner at 9:45?
It's a tradition.
It's like everyone just talks, and we end up eating dinner, and then it's 10:30, and then we sleep by 1 o'clock, and then we do it again the next day. Yep. Dinner time. Finally, it's 10 o'clock, to be clear. Mom, it's been really easy being a vegetarian until I see chicken biryani, and now this is hard.
Chicken biryani you can eat without chicken.
No. It's so hard to say no. I can do it. Okay. My parents are going back to the hotel, and I am going to bed because it's gonna be a long but really, really fun day tomorrow, and I'm super excited about it, so good night. There's no better breakfast and Italy breakfast. Dad's here to come pick me up. What are we doing?
We're going for makeup.
He doesn't believe in Ubers.
I'm an Uber.
And Farhan's here, look who's here. Oh, his little lion butt is even so cute. Oh. Look at him walk. Even his crying face is adorable. I am on my way to go get my makeup done. I know it's crazy, but I basically told Monica today I do not want to be bothered to do my own makeup. Before you do your makeup,
Turn right onto West Nolana Avenue.
I don't know.
and on my...
Quarter of a mile. Turn left.
Go straight. All you have to do is go straight.
Oh, okay.
I'm giving this Uber a 0 rating.
Uh-oh.
When's the last time you wore SPF, Dad? Dad!
Yeah.
1989? The year I was born?
Yeah, probably.
That's not good, Dad.
Why?
You need to wear SPF. Protect your skin from the sun.
You gonna get me one?
I'm gonna give you this one.
Okay.
It's from Biossance. Squalane Zinc Sheer Mineral SPF. It's coral reef safe.
Okay.
This is a big deal. And it's hydrating, and the best part is there is no gray overcast. It's white, and then it blends into your skin. You can wear it under makeup, without makeup. And since I'm about to go get my makeup done, I am putting it on. The sun is on my face, but luckily I put SPF on. Ideally, I should have put this on 15 minutes before I walked out of the house. And this baby is vegan, and tube is made with post-consumer recycled content. It's awesome, and SPF 30 helps prevent sunburns, decreases the risk of skin cancer, and no gray overcast. To be a mineral SPF that doesn't leave a gray overcast, not an easy thing to do, trust me, I know, because with Live Tinted, we are researching all of the things. So shout out to Biossance for making the effort in creating this.
Okay, that one probably.
Are we there?
I'm sorry.
And this is made with water lilies, so it keeps your skin nice and cool and calm. Wear it underneath your makeup, without makeup. It's amazing. Look at my skin. Before I go get my makeup done, I have one important thing to make happen. Dad, for the
Yes.
first time in your life,
Yes.
please put some SPF on.
That's good.
There you go. I'm so proud of you.
Sounds good, right?
Look.
It's good though, especially in Houston.
There's sun exposure everywhere, Dad.
Thank you.
You're over me, I'm leaving you. You're driving me crazy. At least I got SPF on him. All right, time to go get my makeup done. Ready to go. La-da-da-dee. My dress is Zara's finest. Obviously wearing our new lip free, some Indian bangles. What do you think of my new lip color, Raj?
So good.
All you care about is when I'm getting a husband, let's be real.
Ah, Deepica.
It's the
this
color.
Is my color.
Yeah. You look so pretty, Mama.
What about here? Can I put
Little bit, but it's very pigmented, little.
Ah, I look so pretty.
You look so pretty. And now you and me match on our lips.
Yeah, and my jewelry and your dress
I know,
is
that's
matched.
why I wear green.
Oh, really? Ah, so cute.
Cute. We gotta go. Monica's gonna punch us. Monty is scary on baby shower day. You don't want to mess with her, right, Raj? He agrees on the inside. All right. We made it. Can't tell if we're really late or just kind of late or early. Pretty sure we're late. Wow. You are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, Monty. Yes, queen. Yeah. Look how cute you guys are. Oh. Okay, Monty, what's the inspo for today's baby shower?
I just like
Jungle Book.
Jungle Book?
Yeah, and so I
Cute.
wanted a story thing, so I got the story thing.
You look beautiful. All right, let me take you on a tour of this beautiful decor.
Here comes that old familiar feeling, just like yesterday. Got nothing new to talk about, got nothing new to say anyway.
The couple of the hour, they look so relaxed.
I fell in love with a girl downtown, then she walked away. That heart of cold was
Classic problem, Dad never smiling with his teeth.
hooray.
lovely mini her right now. Look at her taking her content. Spotted Monica on her throne. This is my cousin Silva. People say we look alike. This is for you, Monica, since you can't drink. Not that she ever did. All right, the game is what's on your phone. Do I have a selfie? I got selfie. You get like a Facebook app, yep. Instagram app, yep. A pet screensaver. I don't got no pets. A photo of the mom to be, duh. A text of your mom, yeah. Your battery is more than 60%, yeah, right. Whoever has their battery more than 60%. Unread emails, yep, 29,556. If I don't win, this is BS. Basically, everyone is blessing Monica right now.
This is the tradition that we do, sari, bangles, and all the blessings. You know, this is our traditional way. Mom has to give a sari. That's what I gave her. Just blessing Monica with all the flowers and akshantas. Akshantas means rice, yellow rice.
Blessing Mani and the baby.
Mani and baby, both.
Thank you everyone for coming. It means a lot to all of us. I know you guys saw came to our wedding too. The blessings have passed on and now we're being blessed again. So I'm very happy. Thanks.
You look beautiful. Mom. You're so cute, Mom.
I'm so busy of taking videos and photos because these are my gold memories.
Well, that was fun, and now we are going out on the McAllen town, y'all.
You're a little too excited.
I am excited. I like exploring new places. It's all about who you surround yourself with and the people you're around, and any place can feel incredible and home. It'll be fun. And we are back, and we are about to go to dinner, although I don't know how I'm gonna eat. Moni, are you hungry? Well, I guess you're feeding for two. I can't believe there's an actual real life baby in
Mom's
there.
here. The original mother.
Oh, hey, Mom.
At the top so I can
Then these
just...
fine.
Why can't I just wear this?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's good.
Mommy, you look so beautiful.
Sorry, all the ladies are here.
A baby shower success?
Grand success. I love it.
All right, now we're gonna go to dinner, and then I have a 7 a.m. flight back to LA.
Yeah, Daddy said that he has to drop you morning, so he's ready already.
Everybody say goodbye.
Goodbye, everybody.
See you next time.